Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. I tell you everything you need to know. My office is across the street. I have my suits over there and all ready to go. When I have clients, I make my YouTubes right here. I have about, 5,000, 6,000 subscribers. Most of you have come to me because you've seen me on the national news, and I have a whole team of former IRS agents. We just specialize in IRS tax resolution. That's all that we do, and you're welcome to call us if you need to. I do these videos for 3 reasons: so you don't get ripped off, so you know the truth, and I give you insider information from IRS when I can. And today, by the way, you can look at my website at 777irs.com, 777irs.com. You know, I get a lot of calls on actually this phone right here of people that have been ripped off by other companies. Today, I received a call from somebody named Gary, and that is his first name, and he got ripped off bad by Omni tax. Matter of fact, it was a devastating ripoff that he got that really makes me sick to my stomach. But this isn't about Omni tax. This isn't about his case in particular, because I'm not. They just really quickly, they submitted an offer and compromise, and they shouldn't have. But I want to tell you about big tax resolution companies, the Optima taxes, the Omni tax, and things that you need to know about them. There's some very good people there, and it's not to say their work is bad or good. I'm not commenting really on that, even though this case was a disaster that Omni worked. Just in general information about big companies. I worked and taught the offer and compromise program. Peter Salinger of my office, we have probably the two of us, I don't know, we worked 2,500 offers and compromise, so we're experts in this. When you call a big tax resolution company, you have to know what's going on. You're speaking first to a salesperson. That salesperson is sizing you up as to how much they can collect from you, and they get a commission. Gary, that I just got to, they charged him $40,000 in a series of a couple years, and the case should have been a $12,000 case easily. They overcharged this person by 3 times. And here's the game they play. The salesman goes ahead and gets information and then gets into your wallet, and then the case eventually winds up in their back office where an attorney or a CPA or an enrolled agent works the case. Now, if you want to do this the right way, if you were to call a real professional office, the person who's going to work your case, like me or a tax attorney we have on staff or a CPA or an enrolled agent, actually is going to do the intake of your case. We look at the financial statement. We look at your case first before making a determination whether we want it or how to bill it. We don't go ahead and bill it first and go ahead and try working it second. It doesn't work like that. These companies, big companies, also will go ahead and charge you a fee, and they will hold your case. They will hold it and hold it till you pay them all the money. They will submit a power of attorney. They'll delay it, and then when you've paid them, and if the company hasn't done nothing, and you know they haven't done nothing, they're waiting for you to pay your bill in full before they work the case. That's what they do at these big companies, and if you want to call that ripping off, I don't know, but it sounds to me like they're not being upfront with you. So if anyone wants to complain, Omni wants to complain, this person, Gary, is probably going to be making a complaint with the Attorney General. But once again, Omni is, I'm sure, had many successful cases, as have Optima and all the big people. But what I'm telling you, the point of this is when you call a company, you want to speak to the person working your case, who's going to work your case, and you want to give them that financial statement to review to let you know the outcome before you go ahead and work the case. That's what you're looking for. Anyway, if this information was good, please give me a review. I would certainly appreciate, not a review, a subscription. Subscriptions are really, really big. YouTube loves to have subscriptions. It shows that we're doing a good job. You can see my information below. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. I thank you very much for listening today. Be careful who you hire.